Turkey and Iran discuss Syrian Constitutional Committee. Turkey and US begin joint patrol for Syria safe zone. Saudi Arabia names Prince Abdulaziz as energy minister. Iran Coast Guard seizes foreign ship for smuggling oil. Trump's calls of US Taliban peace talk over Kabul attack. Afghan president urged Taliban to cease fire. Taliban vows to continue fighting in Afghanistan. 6 journalists arrested in war-ravaged Afghanistan. China against reaffirms its support to Pakistan. Pakistan summons Indian envoy over firing incident. Pakistan urges action on Kashmir before it's too late. India, Kashmir Valley restriction eased progressively.